In today's video, we're going to look at the trim function. The trim function is a really powerful function that allows you to trim extra spaces out of formulas. Now, traditionally, this has just been used to trim when there is extra spaces before or after something. So if we look at description, we have here, if we look at horizontal empowering knowledge base, that there are extra spaces before and after that. So if we were to put this into Word, so here I've put this into Word, and if I go ahead and show and hide this, you will see that there are spaces there. So it's important to know whether these are spaces or sometimes these are white spaces or special characters. So what I do is I will copy and paste. You can copy and paste multiple cells over if you want, but I'll copy and paste that over, and then you'll be able to see exactly what is in there after and before anything. To trim this, we can simply do equals trim and then select the cell that we want to trim. And you'll see that you can't see any before or after spaces. If I copy that down and then let's just do this as an example. I copy and space special values. So that's important to make sure that after you're done, you don't want to have the formula there because you're going to want to move this back over to here. And if you just copy and paste the formula, it won't work. So you need to make sure you copy and paste special values. Now, if I put this into Word, you can see that there's no spaces before or after the words. This can also be used to trim out extra spaces in between words as well. So if I was to simply do equals trim and then this one, you can see it took out the extra spaces there. Again, if I was to do multiples of these, I would want to take those, copy and paste them down. Now on this, there are some rules that it follows, like it will do a dash space. So it thinks that, the dash symbol should always have a space after it, which in this case we wouldn't want. So we can fix that afterwards. But I just want to show you another thing that you can do with trim. Now, of course, I have all of this data here that needs to be updated. So let's just take the first little part of this, and we're going to do equal trim, and then we're going to do this whole area. That allows you to trim with just one cell stroke and one formula that entire area and make sure that that is all fixed. So you could then copy and paste that special. And then you can move it back over here. And it's all updated. So again, now that we have the dash spaces, last thing we'd want to do on this particular one would replace dash space with this dash. And there we go. And those are all done. This is where we stop. So that's why this one isn't done. So everything above is all fixed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.